500 important English sentences. I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't seen you in a while. He was late to the meeting. He was late to the meeting. She forgot her keys at home. She forgot her keys at home. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. They went on a vacation last week. They went on a vacation last week. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Thank you for like and subscribe us. The weather was perfect yesterday. The weather was perfect yesterday. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? She's planning to move next year. She's planning to move next year. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The movie starts at 7 p.m. I think you're right. I think you're right. He's looking for a new job. He's looking for a new job. She missed the bus. She missed the bus. I'm interested in learning Spanish. I'm interested in learning Spanish. The meeting was cancelled. The meeting was cancelled. Do you need any help with that? Do you need any help with that? I'll call you back in a few minutes. I'll call you back in a few minutes. I've never been to Paris. I've never been to Paris. They are building a new house. They are building a new house. I need to finish this by tomorrow. I need to finish this by tomorrow. He was upset about the news. He was upset about the news. She is good at math. She is good at math. The train is arriving soon. The train is arriving soon. I lost my wallet yesterday. I lost my wallet yesterday. They are having a party tonight. They are having a party tonight. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. She doesn't like spicy food. She doesn't like spicy food. I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have to wake up early tomorrow. The concert was amazing. The concert was amazing.